Welcome Coyote fans, this is Paul Ferris and this is a short exhaust video for my buddy Skylar Berkheimer, who just posted his 2000 GT with a Coyote motor, and I think he's got BBK long tubes. I've got factory pipes from the factory shorties from the Ford Coyote hooked up to a Bassani X pipe, and that runs through a Magnaflow cat back. So here goes. Fuel pressure is at 60 psi. Vacuum. I note with some interest that there's a lot of water on the floor. When an engine first starts, the exhaust vapor is not warm enough to it's not fuel. It's not warm enough to vaporize the water, so likely that's what you're seeing, Skylar. Plus, don't forget that anytime you change something, you're going to see the PCM dial the thing in. So it's a lovely day up here in Minnesota. Can't wait for spring to hit. We do have a little bit of spring weather there, so I got to stop complaining. At least it's not snowing. I think last year in June we got some snow. Anyways, I'll be back in Ohio this weekend and everything, and I'll be so happy. Hope you're enjoying the videos. This is a quick shot of the engine bay. I made a shorter version just because I was reviewing the other version I made with my GoPro as I posted it, and it's kind of grainy. I may not even publish it. So hope you're enjoying the ride. You can find my car on Coyotify, Coyotify.com, and there's a blog and a forum. Please check out the blog. Forum is still a work in progress. So thanks for tuning in. See you on the web.